welcome back to JsGrassFedGarden. This is part 2 of the March blizzard tunnel update. And what I'm finding is that sometimes removing the snow is almost doing more damage than good, because I'm realizing now at this point, the tunnels have survived all the storms, and I don't know, it's just this first tunnel right here that I've put a good amount of holes in now. I'm being careful. It's hard to tell when how close you are to the Agribon cover when you're shoveling it away. I've tried using my hand, I've tried using the car sweep cleaner, but yeah, we don't need any more holes. Anyways, so on that note, since I'm finding that it's doing more damage than good, and the snow acts as an insulator, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm just gonna leave the rest of it like this. And it's pretty crazy because you can see right there, there's only like 2 inches of snow right there. And then you come in here, and from the wind blowing, piled up over the tunnels. So what's cool about this is that I direct sowed lettuce in here yesterday or the day before. So even though this is all covered in snow, and last year by this time I was able to do my first direct sow, this year the weather's a little different. So now that I have the tunnels, I was still able to do my first direct sowing, and those will, first cut of lettuce will be ready in about mid-May. And that tunnel is to be reassessed when all this melts, and we'll probably do another direct sowing in that. And I'm gonna put 50 lettuce soil blocks in the hot box. It's covered in snow right now. That's the one thing I forgot to uncover. Let's go take a look at it real quick. Just trying to give this, winter documentation, what it's really like out here, up in a blizzard. Topsoil in there right now, and the soil blocks in the tray. And I'm going to put the lettuce in right now, and that should germinate in about a week, hopefully. And that will mean that there's starts ready to go into the tunnels as well, or just into the ground when the snow stops. So one love wholeness, JsGrassFedGarden blizzard style, and we'll see you on the next one. This is probably the worst storm we've had all season, only because of the wind. The wind and the snow drifts, and yeah, just the way it came in. One love wholeness, see you on the next one.